Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial on which we will say the functions. Basic tools to start design in Adobe Illustrator. In the first interface, we can find the window for site selection. Select the site depending on the need, depending on what is to be worked on. You must choose the measurements in pixels and millimeters, etc. Likewise, the color mode in which we are going to work must be chosen, but for digital device and print media. Then click on the Create button and or Workspace or Artboard will be open. As we can see on the left side of the program, we will find the basic tools. The first two are the selection tools. The first one is called Selection, which is used to select whole objects. And the second one is called Direct Selection, which is used to adjust anchor points and segments to reshape stroke.
The next tool is called Pen, which will help us to create price stockets by means of anchor points. Curvature tool easily create and edit curved and straight lines. Text tool is used to insert text in a point or container. The Figure Creators tool is used to create figures from which we can make composition. The Shapes Creator is used to combine shapes or the erase parts of simpler shapes. The next tool is created artwork copy and applies apparent attributes between objects, e.g., the color of figure. There is a very important window for our Word Illustrator, which is called Layers, because when creating a figure, we can divide the objects in the form of layers. For example, put one top of the other. The next window is called Artworks Illustrator, where be artwork of canvases that are segments in which we can work. If we need more space, we created another artwork. And with these basic tools we can start creating our illustrations.